Just in time for the monthly siren test. Yep, finally caught one. Didn't do it last month because of the cold. Yep. Jeez. It's cold, but I don't survive it. Boy. Sirens. Yeah. Yep. Hope the guys like copyrighted. I think the siren drowned out the music. Yeah, it drowns it out. Yeah, these are the sirens. Boy, it's phenomenal, isn't it? Yeah, I'm not using my phone because I don't want to eat up my phone's battery. Can't just get a new phone or less too. How is it's going to last? Things come from that way, I think. Yeah, back then I used to hate sirens, but now I am used to them. I think towards the end there's like something about like the emergency alert system or whatever. See if I can make it out. Oh, it's getting louder. It's phenomenal, this. Alright, now it's dying down. Alright, that's one turned off. Come on. That's the second turned off. Yep. It's like I can hear a third sound going off. Come on, turn. Come on, turn it off. There we go. I think that's that. What was that? There's no pre-recorded message. Nope. I don't hear no pre-recorded message. Nope, I don't think so. What did it say? I don't know. Anyway, that was this month's tornado siren test. Surprising, there's no recorded message. Anyway, that's it. See ya.